Mapping of processes, process groups, and knowledge area. The PMBOK guide defines 5 process groups, 10 knowledge areas, and 49 processes. The PMBOK guide shows you the knowledge areas down the side, the process groups along the top, and maps the different processes in the relevant boxes. For example, at the junction of Project Integration Management and the Initiating Process group, you have the process to develop project charter. This table explains the project management process groups and knowledge areas mapping. For the PMP certification exam, you will need to know each of the tasks under the individual process groups, as well as which of these tasks map to which project management knowledge area. Note that integration management is the only knowledge group which has tasks in all the process groups. Hence, it is the most important chapter in the PMBOK guide as well as the PMP certification exam.